Hi everyone, I'm Miles. Why are more and more companies engaging in vertical mergers? For example, if a streaming platform makes its own content without a merger, can a clever contract achieve a similar economic effect? Today, we'll answer these two questions through an example problem. Silver Pictures is a movie production company that sells screening rights to the Star Cinema Theater chain. Market demand is P equals 80 minus Q, where P is the ticket price and Q is the number of tickets sold in thousands. The theater's marginal cost is $10 per ticket, while the movie company's marginal licensing cost is $0. First, let's look at the wholesale pricing model under vertical separation. Suppose the movie company charges the theater a $30 wholesale fee per ticket. For the theater, its marginal cost becomes 10 plus 30, which equals 40. Since the demand function is P equals 80 minus Q, the corresponding marginal revenue is Mr. equals 80 minus 2Q. Profit maximization requires Mr. to equal MC, so 80 minus 2Q equals 40, Q equals 20, and P equals 80 minus 20, which is 60. So the theater's profit is 60 minus 40 times 20, which is 400. The movie company's profit is 30 times 20, which is 600. The total industry profit is 1,000. Note that both upstream and downstream firms mark up prices here, creating what's known in economics as double marginalization. As a result, consumers pay higher prices, only 20,000 tickets are sold, and total industry profit is not maximized. Next, let's analyze the unified pricing model after a vertical merger. Suppose Silver Pictures acquires Star Cinema. Since the two companies have merged, the marginal cost is just the theater's $10. Again, setting Mr. equal to MC, we get 80 minus 2Q equals 10, Q equals 35, and P equals 80 minus 35, which is 45. Total profit is 45 minus 10 times 35, which is $12.25. Compared to before the merger, the ticket price dropped from $60 to $45, sales increased from 20 to 35, and total profit rose from 1,000 to 1,225. Consumers benefit and overall corporate profits also increase because double marginalization is completely eliminated. However, mergers have many other costs, which is where the final two-part tariff model comes into play. Suppose the movie company drops the wholesale price to $0. The theater's marginal cost becomes $10 again, so it will still choose Q equals 35 and P equals 45, matching the merger outcome exactly. The theater's operating profit is still $1,225. The movie company can then charge a fixed franchise fee F of $12.25, transferring all the theater's profit to itself. The price paid by consumers, sales volume, and consumer surplus are identical to the vertical merger, only the distribution of profit changes. In fact, as long as the franchise fee F is between $600 and $825, both the movie company and the theater benefit more than under vertical separation. To summarize, first, vertical separation creates double marginalization, leading to high prices and low sales. Second, vertical mergers eliminate double marginalization, achieving lower prices, higher sales, and higher total profits. Third, a two-part tariff achieves the same efficiency as a vertical merger without changing ownership, so it's widely used in business practices like franchising, streaming, and tech platforms.